Opuodho jotelo mopogore opogore mabende ochung' laro kombe mopogore opogore mag siasa motelo ne yiero maduong' mar 8 mar higani. Seneta ma kaunti ma Siaya Migosi James Orengo opuodhi mar laro kom gavana ma Siaya kono ero gi otiko mar ODM. Bang' kao oboke ma kamano ero, Migosi Orengo singo biro loso kaunti ma Siaya kendo neno ni dongruoge makare obedo Siaya kono ero. Kako machiele kaunti no ero ma Homa Bay Mikai Gladys Wanga bende Iebc no Opuodho mar laro kom gavana ma Homa Bay kono ero gi otiko mar ODM. Wanga kanyakla kod jalupne Migosi Oyugi mag Wanga opuodhi bang' tero oboke gi ka Iebc odiochieng' ma kawuono. Ka odiochieng' ero manyoro Iebc osepuodho Laktar Evans Kidero ne laro kom gavana ma Homa Bay kono ero, wach ma bende pod kelo mana piem matek e kinde Gladys Wanga kanyakla kod Laktar Evans Kidero e laro kom gavana ma county ma Homa Bay.
Also a hopeful day for the people of Homa Bay. If you have seen Homa Bay today and the places that we have come through, you have seen people smiling in hope, because you know our hope is that we will have a developed county. Our hope is that we will better our healthcare system. Our hope is that our referral hospital here is going to be a true referral hospital where our people can get medication. Our hope is that our people will no longer leave Homa Bay to go and seek medication elsewhere unless it is very, very high level medication that they require. Our hope is that probably other people will find it fit to come and seek medication here, but not otherwise, because we are going to strengthen our healthcare system.
Issues that are important, dealing with health, water, education at the level of pre-primary education, ECDs and so on. We have a clear agenda, and I think when we are going to launch a manifesto, we spell out what we are going to achieve in 100 days, which are not mere promises, but also what issues we are going to deal with as a blueprint for Siaya in the next 5 years.